Let's face it, low energy, mood swings, and reduced strength can really mess with your confidence. If you're looking for a natural solution that supports healthy testosterone levels, Forzix Caps might be exactly what your body needs. Forzix Caps is not just a quick fix pill. It's a clean, herb-based supplement designed to gradually restore hormonal balance while supporting energy, focus, and strength. With ingredients like tongkat ali, ginseng, and zinc, it works to stimulate your body's natural testosterone production, helping you feel sharper and more active. Most men report improved stamina and better clarity after just a few weeks. No crash, no jitters, and no harmful additives. If you're ready to reclaim your strength naturally, click the link below to grab your bottle of Forzix Caps today. And remember, if this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Vital Supplement Guide, and share this with someone who's ready to level up their health.